Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So yesterday I got the headers put on and it sounded really horrible. It sounded all raspy. And then I ended up going to Torres Automotive to my boy Rudy. He ended up putting resonators on. It sounds awesome, but there's still one single problem. It sounds like a whooshing, almost like a turbo blow off noise, and I don't have a turbo, so we're gonna go ahead and try to figure this part out. But here's a little cold start action for you guys. So we got that. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds like it's coming like right there. I feel like it's coming like right here. Usually it's like right around like 25 to 3. It starts making this weird noise. Check it out. It almost sounds like there's like a leak. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So wish me luck. Here's a little bit of rev action for you guys, but it's a lot quieter now. See, it sounds like some kind of like almost like a rattling whooshing noise. I don't know, but we're gonna fix it. Just stay tuned and I will get back to you guys once I get to Torres. All right. Wow, that sounds crazy, huh? So we finally figured out the solution. All right, long story short, I took the car to Rad Rides in Huntington Beach. I took it back to Torres Automotive. We basically, you know, stripped it apart, try to find out what this rattle is. You know, earlier in the video, I know you guys saw with the mid pipe half off, no axle back connected, it was still making, you know, a horrible noise, and it's amplified because there's no resonators, right? So you can really tell that the issue was in the mid pipe. Okay, so we called PPE, the manufacturer. We spoke to a guy by the name of Paul. Apparently he's one of the brothers, and he told us, you know, basically it's your mid pipe. The PPE headers does not mate well with the Invidia mid pipe, and so basically, you know, now I have two options. Basically, he tells me I can either throw on some high flow cats, which kind of negates the fact that we removed the cats off the headers anyway, right? So he said we can put on high flow cats or put the stock mid pipe back on. And so what I did was we went ahead and put the stock mid pipe back on because I already had the piece, and so yeah, that's what happened, and it fixed the problem like 85%. So really, after 2 resonator installs, a custom X pipe install, you guys didn't even see that, but I had them remove a flange because it sounded like it was coming from a flange. So I had them remove the flange and install a custom X pipe. So I had that done, a bunch of stuff, you know. So after everything was said and done, I'm out like $900 for the resonators, the labor, this and that, you know. And then if you consider the cost of the mid pipe, that's like another $500-600, right? So all in all, I'm out $1,500 because PPE doesn't tell people like, hey, if you install our headers and you have an Invidia mid pipe, you're gonna get this rattle, you're gonna get this horrible noise. And you know, he was completely aware of it because he told us that he's been receiving a lot of these complaints, and they've come to the conclusion that it's the Invidia mid pipe. I did what they recommended, put on my stock mid pipe, and it fixed the problem. So, you know, please, PPE, put in your description somewhere as far as fitment, like, hey, if you have an Invidia mid pipe or really any aftermarket exhaust aside from your stock mid pipe, you know, you're pretty much crapped out, right? So that really sucks. That really sucks. So that connection. It doesn't fit well with other aftermarket mid pipes or full-on exhaust. So this is what they told me. The evidence, the proof is in the pudding. And so, you know, ultimately I'm out $1,500 when I could have applied that to a big brake set, you know, or upgrade my suspension, get some coilovers. Like that would pay for some active dampers, you know, pretty much. So long story short, you know, we played with it. I love the headers. I love the performance increase that it provided, but I spent an extra like $1,500 that maybe from the beginning, because it was part of my plan to throw on the headers anyway, maybe I wouldn't have gone the mid pipe, maybe I wouldn't have done these extra steps that cost me a bunch of money, right? When all I had to do was just throw on the stock mid pipe. So yeah, performance gain is there. I do love it. The car, you know, as it sits is freaking beautiful. And yeah, here, let me give you guys a sound clip actually. So this is from under the car, and then we'll go ahead and do one from behind the car. So just hang on tight. The noise is gone like 85%. All right. And then here, we'll get one from the exhaust too. So yeah, overall super happy with it. And I have one more surprise for you guys. I got this beautiful lip kit installed. It's called the Silk Blaze lip kit. I have a whole video on it. I just need to piece it together. But this is the car as it sits. This baby is beautiful, and we're getting there, one step closer to supercharged. Check this out. One of my favorite angles of the car. Freaking beautiful. I got a bunch of custom pieces too, like as far as the interior, these little mirror caps, but I'll save that for a whole different video, guys. But yeah, that's the RC. It was full bolt-on up until I had to throw on that freaking mid pipe, you know, the stock mid pipe. So otherwise, this is one of the few, you know, quote unquote full bolt-on RCs. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy the build. I really appreciate you guys taking part in this journey. This is like you know, it's like a dream come true for me. I always wanted to build a car. Always wanted to you know, have something beautiful like this. I feel blessed, and thank you all for being part of it, man. All right, well, God bless and have a good day. Later, guys. So I have good news. I have freaking amazing news. I just got off the phone with my friend Rudy at Torres Automotive. Big shout out to Rudy, big shout out to Luis. They actually offered to be our first sponsors. All right, this is amazing. Okay, and what they're offering is a complimentary service to any of our subscribers. So all you have to do to enter is add us on YouTube, subscribe, add us on Instagram, add Torres Automotive on Instagram as well. Screenshot it, send it over to me on Instagram. Just for proof, I'll enter you in basically a raffle style drawing, I guess a raffle. And what we'll do is pretty much once we get to 250 subscribers, I'm just gonna pull the name out. I'm gonna pull the name out, and whoever that is will get a complimentary service right here in Riverside, Southern California, Riverside off of Hole Street, for a conventional or full synthetic oil change, as well as you getting your fluids topped off as far as your brake fluid, your power steering fluid. He'll check your air pressure in your tires, stuff like that. So all we're asking for is 250 subscribers. You know, if you guys can help us get there, you know, we'll enter you in this little raffle, and it could be for pre-existing subscribers, new subscribers. All you need to do, like I said, just subscribe, add us on Instagram. I'll throw you into this raffle. I'll pull out someone's name, and basically that person will get the complimentary service. And if you guys can help us do that, 250 subscribers, we'll be super stoked, super blessed. and this dream is actually becoming a reality, you know. So with every one of you guys that are supporting us, thank you. It means a lot. You know, we're not rich by any means, so this is really like an investment for us. So we're not actors, we're nothing like that. We just love cars. We've always dreamed about building cars, and you know, we're making it happen. So all we're asking is please subscribe, please like the content if you do like the content, and just, you know, help support the journey. We're trying to come out with different content that you don't really see very often, especially documented on YouTube, right? So once this project is done, we'll pick up a different project and we'll keep it pushing, which will ask what you guys want to see, and you know, we'll rock and roll. So this is the plan. If you guys can help us get there, we're just asking for 250 subscribers. We're almost there. As soon as we hit 250, we're gonna pull a name out. So I really want to shout out Torres Automotive. I want to shout out Mas Cars Baby, and I want to shout out basically all you guys for watching. And we love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And thank you. Thank you so much for being part of it. All right, guys. So help us get to 250, and we got you. All right. Bye.